Okay, let's get up on the roof. Okay. Vents in the roof. So we didn't have soffit vents, but we do have vents up on the top. Concrete tile roof surface. Got mortar caps, look really good. Little spots right there. A little bit of a slip tile. It's hard to see back there, but this tile is broken and slipping down. How you doing? Hi. One of the mortar caps. Alright, continuing on. Plumbing vents. 3-year-old roof. So the underlayment down here gets about 20 years on it. That's the layer underneath the concrete tile. So as long as it was installed correctly, shouldn't be any issues. Mortar cap was fixed with some caulking, so at least I've been doing some maintenance, which is good. Sometimes it's better to come over and just get a picture of all the pool from the roof, so we're not missing anything.